Yo, these look freaking good. Stainless steel Megan Racing header. It's the downpipe. Oh yeah, those are freaking good. I had these. My buddy actually sold me this header and downpipe for like 20 bucks. It's a pace setter header. He originally had it on his Del Sol. He ended up turboing it, so he got a whole new setup. But I'm replacing that today. Putting on the Megan Racing header. All right, we're about to get started. What I'm gonna do first, probably remove the O2 sensor down there first. Right there. After I get that removed, I'm gonna go ahead and break all these 9 bolts loose up here. I'm not gonna remove it, I'm just gonna break them loose so they're nice and free. And then I'm just gonna leave the header and downpipe connected. I'm just gonna leave that alone right there. And then I'm gonna remove that and just take it all out as one. So let's go and let's get it. O2 sensor's kicking my ass, so I went ahead and sprayed it with some PV Blaster. I'm just gonna let it soak in for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these 2 undone. That one and that one. All right, got those 2 bolts out. I'm just gonna leave the O2 sensor in until you can pull it all the way out. So it's gonna be a lot easier. Let's jump back up here.
Just tell me what you want.
But what we're gonna do now is just get that O2 sensor off. Go ahead and put the header to the downpipe. Get this little boot ready. Glad it came with some bolts. Alrighty. Alright, so there's no way we're getting this freaking O2 sensor off. I think since it was gapped right here, it got so hot that it just like melted it on. So let's go to Riley's and scoop another one. I already called up there and I got one in stock, so shouldn't take but a second. This is Dad's Fox body. Yeah, they got one. Yeah, they do. Talking about the O2 sensor? Yeah, they do. We're gonna whip the Protege today. Oh. What's going on, man? I just called about that O2 sensor for that 95 Honda. I was gonna grab some gloves while I'm here real quick. If you have any.
Is it 95?
Yeah, the 1995.
When did you call?
5 minutes ago, not even. So apparently they don't have the part I need. They don't have that sensor. So I guess another store has it. Either I have to drive over there or I gotta order it. I'm about to see how far away the store is and go from there. That store that actually has that part is literally like a little over 20 minutes of a drive. So before I made that drive, I went ahead and called a couple other auto parts places. I called Advance and they actually have it, and they're only 6 minutes away. So I'm finna run over there real quick and scoop it off them and go finish putting this exhaust back on.
Take out, I want it ready by 7:30. 3 beef enchiladas, light on the cheese, And
all right, boys, we got a freaking O2 sensor. Hell yeah. Dude, that shit was that was the weirdest experience I've had at an auto parts store in my life, man. I was sitting there telling him what I wanted to get, O2 sensor, right? So I just talked to you a little bit ago, and he was like already like kind of flustered, like he didn't know what I was talking about. Man, I just talked to you on the phone. You said you had one in stock. Mid-conversation, he having to call in some restaurant, ordering food. I was like, what is going on right now? So, whatever. Then he started talking to me about his RAV4. He was a pretty cool guy, just, I was freaking weird. All right. You did?
advance at it?
Yeah. Definitely using this. Yeah, definitely using it. Headers up. Down pipe real quick. Gotta make sure that little boot's on, which is this. I got my bolts from everywhere, from the other bolts. And this is the issue that I was having last time because I didn't have a freaking gasket from the header to the down pipe, so. Alright, double check, make sure nothing's underneath, and we're there. Man, look at that freaking down pipe. Ooh. There we go. Stuff right there. Sketchy sometimes. You go real slow to the side. There. Turn too much, the fridge is gonna drop. Can't do that. Nice and easy. Can't get 2 fingers in there, baby. Look at that. Woo. They lower the front's just a hair. I'm waiting to get my other wheels on it. Get 2 fingers in there easy. 2.5 maybe. All right. It's the first crank. You ready? A lot quieter. Good. Yep. Going all the way back. It's not going at the front no more. There we go. So she still has a stock exhaust, but we just put that Megan Racing header on. That was a little bit better. I don't know if you can hear it at all, but I'm gonna do a couple revs up and see what she sounds like. Not too bad. Let it run for a while, let it warm up. I think the header's probably gonna be smoking for a little bit. Better break in. I can already smell it. There we go. Hey you. You gonna help me today? Oh, you got the wrench already. You gonna help me? Close it. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing? You gonna fix it for me? Thank you. I gotta fix that a little bit anyway. Thank you, babe. Help you? Whoa, careful, it might be a little hot. Ooh, look at that shit. I didn't even open the hood since I installed them yesterday, so that was really good. Hell yeah. I knew it was gonna do it, I was just curious on what it was gonna look like. Damn, boy. Sheesh. I just want to say a thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you're all taking care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.